Hi students, Kirk here. I know that some of you have been getting a flash error message when you're trying to watch the recorded videos. So here's how to fix it on Chrome, which is our most popular browser. Most modern, um, most modern internet browsers are going to automatically update Flash for you. I did this just a minute ago, but I'm going to show you the process. We'll automatically update Flash for you, so generally there isn't a need to go download Flash. So on Chrome, if you get an error that says, please install Flash Player, don't install Flash Player. Instead, click this lock symbol, look for where it says Flash. It will, by default, it will be for ask. Just switch it to allow, and then close this. It'll ask you to refresh your browser, then you'll refresh it, and your video should play. So again, if you experience this issue with Microsoft Edge or Safari, please let us know how to fix it in the comments below, or give me a call or email. Thanks.